Hola, 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 mga Italianos. Welcome back to another episode of Gassy Lifestyle Originals. It's a boy here, Zulu Ocean. We're back again with another one. My G's, we back, man. We back, man. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, subscribe. Subscribe. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe. And yo, thank you to everyone who has subscribed. Yo, it really means a lot to everyone who has subscribed. Like, guys, we're moving at let me check where we at now. Let me check where we at now. Like it's crazy. Where we at now? Let's check the numbers, guys. We at 860 subscribers. 860, guys. 860. Yo. Thank you, man. Thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing. If you like the channel, subscribe, man. Today we're going all the way to America. We're going to be checking out an artist that goes by the name of A$AP Rocky. I know we are diverting from what we usually do here on the channel, where we stick to African music. But I just wanted to try something different today and check out A$AP Rocky's new music video called Tailor Swif. But not Taylor Swift, the Taylor Swift that sings, like Taylor, like as in like clothing, Taylor, you know, Swift, you know, yeah. Oh, Swift, not Swift, Swift, you know. I like that wordplay. Yeah. Who likes? Shout out to everyone who likes Taylor Swift. There, who listens to Taylor Swift. Swifties, subscribe there, Swifties. Yeah.
My finesse, ready for the.
Oh, why is it jumping now? What's going on? Okay, so without further ado, let's check out A$AP Rocky's new music video. Man, A$AP Rocky has always been killing it with music videos. There's this song of his that he did with a few years ago. It was one of the singles from Testing. What was that song? Nah, man. There's this song, man, like, yo, like, does anyone remember what, like, there's this song from Testing with that cool music video where let me just check real quick. Are you guys seeing it here? I don't know. It's not Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord, yeah, it's dope. I love for A$AP Forever. A$AP Forever, man. Like, yo, shout out to A$AP Rocky for that song, man. I feel like that song, it's the most underrated song, like that A$AP like in that year, that song should have been like in the top 5, bro. That song was supposed to be in the top 5. Like, that song was that song was Black Magic, bruv. Do you guys know Black Magic from Limpopo? That was that song. You guys should come to Limpopo. Yeah, you guys should come to Limpopo. Alright, let's check out A$AP Rocky, Tailor Swif. You know how it is. Okay. Wait, let me just check whether I'm recording. Hey, because last time I thought I was recording, and then like boom, we're not recording. Okay, we're recording. You see now? You see? All right. Okay. Yeah. Let's go. A$AP Rocky, Tailor Swif. Let's go. If you're a fan of A$AP Rocky, leave a like and subscribe. What the? Is that a dog driving? And is there a naked man sitting on the bonnet? It's the weed. It's this. It's the weed. It's the weed. I blame the weed. It's the weed. It's the weed.
Shoot my shot, got it wet. Bet that's all neck, girl, that's ready. Ready. Gave me all neck, how beheading. Ready.
Oh, is that? Wait. Is that
Girl, that's ready. Ready. Gave me all neck, how beheading.
Is that a cappuccino in the toilet? That's a fucking cappuccino in the toilet. What's going on here? Am I high? Are we high? How high? How are you?
Ready. Might just saw my ex-girl on Malcolm and Eddie.
Oh, my man got
Neck, how beheading. Ready. Might just saw.
The OGs know. The OGs know this combo. The OGs know this combo, man. If you're an OG, you know this combo. You know this combo, man. You know this combo. You know toilet seat with the cover seat. Aye. If you're an OG, you know this combo. Yeah. Shout out to all my OGs out there, yo. That's us right here, man.
My ex-girl on Malcolm and all neck wet. Bet that's all neck, girl, that's ready. Ready. Gave me all neck, how beheading. Ready. Might just saw my ex-girl on Malcolm and Eddie already. Your ass might just go and get upset, don't be petty already. You smoke zest, so you stress, boy, that's Reggie already. Got cadets in my set.
What the? Like, I'm trying to listen to the lyrics there, but there's so much happening in this music video. I'm just like, oh wait, I don't know where to push my focus. It's like, it's a lot happening.
Who up next, boy, they ready. She wants sex, I profess my finesse. Who ready for the function, for the function.
Wait, is this
sex, I profess my finesse. Who ready.
Doesn't that white guy look like the guy from The Office? No ways. Guys, are you seeing this? Guys, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? What's going on? What's going on? My man is pouring coffee from a tap that's in the place of the Mercedes logo. What the fuck?
Ready for the function, for the function, for the dog shit, for the go down shit. Get your gun shit, function, fuck up the function, with the dumb shit.
Was that a dolphin? Was that a function,
fuck up the function.
That's a fucking dolphin! That's a dolphin! In the hood! Oh, fucking dolphin. In a pothole. What? Fifth dimension? What fifth dimension is going on here?
Function, fuck up the function, with the dumb shit, don't give a fuck shit. He ain't lamb chops on the block when we was broke. Even when I was poor, I was out here eating goat.
Are you seeing that?
For the go down shit, get your gun shit, function, fuck up the function, with the dumb shit, don't give a fuck shit. He ain't lamb chops on the block when we was broke. Even now.
A whole fucking kinda going on a ramp. On the ramp. A whole kinda. A whole construction truck, guys. On a ramp. What fifth dimension world is going on here?
I was poor, I was out here eating goats. Mary had a little lamb, but my mama need a coat. Yeah, I had a sure lamb. Goats. Mary had a little lamb, but my mama.
Are you guys seeing this? Are you guys seeing this? This whole car. It's bisexual. A whole fucking car. We have a whole bisexual car. Oh, what? What? Hey, yo. What? What's going on?
I'ma need a coat, yeah.
A whole bisexual car, guys.
I had a Shirley and a Gucci link at 4 years old.
I'm too swift, go to tell about the shit.
I like it.
Now go tell about the shit. Go to my tailor, got me drip like go to my tailor, got me dripped up in a pit.
Oompa Loompa.
I'm too swift, don't tell about this shit.
Boy flexible, my boy's flexible.
I'm too swift, don't tell about that shit. Go to my tailor, got me dripped up in a pit.
The OGs remember when we were banning the disc. When we were banning the disc. Some of y'all are too young to remember that. Some of y'all are too young.
Tell about that shit. Go to my tailor, got me dripped up in a pit. I'm too swift, don't tell about this shit.
Was a stick of kid, imagine all the shit I did. Violent, I was just a kid.
Oh, my boy did frying grenades.
I just fucked this feminist, so I ain't feminine. Won't you give my dick a kiss? He tryna get my dick a kid. Riding on my strip again, flying through my window 10. Hit a lick again.
Dog on a phone.
Lick a kid, riding on my strip again, flying through my window 10. Hit a lick again, got that nigga sick again. Hit a lick again. We gon' freak, we gon' freak.
Inshallah, I need this right. I need this.
We gon' hold on. She
A bear drinking Russian beer. A whole bear drinking Russian beer, guys, on the road.
on me, she on me, she on go. She on green. She
A sheep. Wait, a monkey on top of a sheep.
on green. She on go. I'm too G, she agree. I'ma go. Gotta keep it low, bro. Try might give me throat, bro. Choking on me, no throat, go. Tricking on me, you hoes, bro.
I'm too swift, go to tell about the shit.
Oh, did you guys see that?
Tricking on me, you hoes, bro.
I'm too swift, go to tell about the shit.
Yeah.
I'm too swift, now go tell about the shit. Go to my
My boy got the big gun.
tailor, got me dripped like go to my tailor, got me dripped up in a pit. I'm too swift, don't tell about this.
What? 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 What kind of goat is this? What?
This shit. I'm too swift, don't tell about that. Go to my tailor, got me dripped up in a pit. I'm too swift, don't tell about this shit.
I'm too swift, man. That was so much chaos going on. And then it just blew up. It blew up, guys. It blew up. It's the weed. It's the weed, guys. That joint that he rolled when this shit started. It was the weed. There's no other explanation. No. So much chaos. What? They're carrying bricks. Beans. What the fuck? What? Oh, wait. Like, guys, my mind is still. I'm still trying to process. I'm still trying to process what I just saw. I'm still trying to process what I just saw, guys. What? What? What was? if anyone has like an explanation on what we just saw and what everything we just saw means, please let us know in the comment section. Please let us know, because our brains are fried. My mind is fucked up right now. Like, my mind is fried. Like, guys, I don't know. It's, and the thing is, I fucking love it. I fucking love it. That was fire. Hey, yo, guys, yo, let's clap hands for A$AP Rocky, man, for creativity, bro. Yo. Clap hands with A$AP Rocky for creativity, bro. That is so fucking beautiful. Like, that is so fucking creative. It's so fucked up that it's so fucking beautiful. That's the whole point of it. It's a whole fucking beautiful mess. It's like, it's tailored in a way that it's tailored in a fucked up way, man, but it still came out beautiful. Still came out swift. You see what I did there? Yeah. Subscribe, guys, subscribe. Hey, yo, A$AP Rocky, man, he always delivers with the visuals. You know, like, that is, you know, like, there's no debate on that, man. There's no debate. You know, creativity, you know, like beat selection, sound, you know, style. A$AP Rocky has it all. He's got the formula to the T, you know, and no one's doing it like him, bro. You know, no one is doing it like him. A lot of artists have tried to imitate what A$AP Rocky is doing, and they have failed dismally, you know. And A$AP Rocky, every single time he comes back, it's like, wait, let me show you how it's done. Let me show you how it's done. And this is how it's done, guys. This is how it's done. Are you feeling me? Are you feeling it? Are you feeling it, guys? Because that was fucking dope, man. That was fucking fire. As like, I didn't have time to process the lyrics of the song, but you know, because you guys, you saw for yourself. You saw for yourself what was going on. You saw for yourself, you know, and it's, you know, it's like, and it's like, and even much as though everything was just, you know, like boom, you know, like boom, you know, like the ending of the video, it all made sense. I don't know if you guys are understanding me. I don't know if you guys are feeling it. All made sense, you know. I fuck it, like I was vibing with it, bro. I fucking love the song. I fucking love the song. And I need to play it on repeat and you know, and listen to what he was saying. But I know he was spitting. I know my man was spitting, bro. Because every single, you know, because with every single punchline, after every single punchline, something weird popped up on the screen. Like, that's how crazy it was. Yeah, that's how crazy it was, bro. That's how crazy it was. But overall, though, dope track, dope visuals, everything, 10 out of 10. Fucking loved it. A$AP Rocky, keep what you're doing, man. Keep what you're doing. We need to see more, bro. We need to see more. awge, give us more. Give us more from awge, you know. Give us more. Give us more. You know. Yeah, man. I really love what you guys are doing with awge, and you know, and yeah, man, to see such beautiful visuals and stuff like in like awge, like it's leaving its mark. It's leaving its mark. And yeah, man. A$AP forever, man. A$AP forever, man. Yo, Rocky, bro. Rocky, dog. You did your shit, man. You did your shit. You left no crumbs. You were deep frying grenades. Yay. It's too much. But overall, man, dope. If you guys, what do you guys think down in the comment section? What do you guys think on the comment section? Let me know let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think? Was this song and music video dope? Was it fire? Or was it not? let me know in the comment section. You know, let me know in your comment section. Let's have a talk. Let's have a debate. Let's have a debate there in the comment section. You know, and yeah, leave a like. But yeah, that's it for now. That's it for now. Until the next video that A$AP Rocky releases, I'll catch you on that one. You know, but yeah, man. There's a whole lot more coming up, guys. Actually, there's a Kota festival coming up this weekend. So I don't know if I should pull up on it and shoot content for you guys. You guys let me know. Would you guys like to see some Kota Fest content? You know, Kota Fest is like this food festival, but for Kotas, Bani Chows. Well, it's not Bani Chow, it's a Kota. Yeah, there's a difference between a Bani Chow and a Kota. There's a difference between a Bani Chow and a Kota. Like, let's make that clear right now. So yeah, it's a Kota festival. Yeah, man. So yeah, if you guys would like to see me pop up at the Kota festival and shoot content for you guys, let me know on the comment section. Yeah, but that's otherwise though, that's it right now for me. I go by the name of Zulu Ocean, signing out from Kasi Lifestyle Original Studios. These are Makasi Italianos. Oh yeah. Shoot.